On a prepped nail, apply Gelish pH bond followed by Gelish foundation. Cure the Gelish foundation for 5 seconds under LED light. With Gelish PolyGel Cover Pink, squeeze a little, slice a piece off, and apply on the nail. Taking the brush end of the poly tool, dip it into some Gelish slip solution. Slip solution is meant to keep the brush from sticking to the polygel, so you should wipe your brush on a wipe after getting it into some slip solution. After applying Cover Pink, cure it for 60 seconds, wipe it with nail surface cleanse, and shape and file your pink. Double check your edges to make sure they are smooth. PolyGel Soft White is a great choice to do marbles. Using the spatula end of the poly tool, put it on a glass palette and use some neon colored ArtForm gels and lightly mix it in. Try not to over mix the PolyGel mixture here. You do not want it to get muddy, and we will go ahead and apply it onto the free edge of the nail. The great thing about doing your pink first is if your French goes over your pink, you do not have to worry. As long as the smile line looks good on the pink, whatever goes on top will be filed off. Cure the marble free edge for 60 seconds, then cleanse the surface with nail surface cleanse, and now you can drill and file the surface. Before filing, I like to start with a double course carbide bit on my Gelish IQ electric file, and then I can begin to hand file. I finished this nail with Gelish No Cleanse top coat, curing it for 60 seconds.